when Mom is not home. Wake up time, honey. What do you think we should eat for breakfast? Lisa? Mom, what do we have for breakfast today? Mom? Morning, son. Morning, Dad. Do you see Mom anywhere? No, Dad. Do you think Mom is going to the supermarket? Or exercising in the park? I don't think so. She will usually prepare breakfast before leaving. Look at the note on the fridge, Dad. Let me see. Dear my son's father and my husband's son, is it meant to be sent to you and me? Yes. Her dear style is still the same after all these years. Is that a letter from Mom? Right, this is definitely a letter from your mom. I'll be late home tonight because something has just come up at my mom's house and I'm needed there. Breakfast is prepared and it is in the fridge. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Remember to heat food in the microwave before eating. What else, Dad? I need both of you to do me a favor. I have a bad feeling. Please help me with the housework. Thank you. Love you too, Lisa. Housework? What should we do now, Dad? We need to help Mom with the housework. Okay, Dad. Let's share the housework and do it together, okay? Sure, Dad. It's no big deal. What do we start with? Let's see. We'll start with breakfast first. Agree. Okay, start to work. Wait, Dad, what do I need to do? First, you will sweep the floor. I will do the laundry. Okay, Dad. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's warm up before cleaning up the house. What's wrong, son? Do you know where the feather duster is? Is it not in the living room? No. Check the stock. I did. It's not there. Let's find it together. It isn't in the kitchen. It isn't in the living room. It isn't in the bathroom. It isn't in my room. It's not in the garden. Where is it? Oh, I saw it. Finally. What's next, Dad? I took out the trash. Watch out, son. Take off your shoes. I'm mopping the floor. Aw, sorry, Dad. I think I'll dust the furniture. Good idea, son. Are you done? Yeah. How about you? Almost done, Dad. Wait, why is there so much dust on the floor? Because I was dusting the furniture? Oh no, my floor. Oh no, I understand. We should dust the furniture before mopping the floor. Yes, I guess I must mop the floor again. Be strong, Dad. Your mom is truly the most amazing woman in the world. Exactly. Mom has been doing these household chores for many years. These household chores are really hard. Right, I'm so tired. Mom is as wonderful as a Wonder Woman. Mom prepares breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. The house is always clean and tidy. The clothes are always fragrant and ironed. She did everything. I want to say thank her for what she did. Me too. We should thank her and give her a big hug when she comes back. I agree with you. Is there any housework waiting for us? We need to relax, Dad. Sure. You need to slow down, or your car might break down. No way, Dad. I'll catch up with you. Let's see. Oh, my car! What do you want to eat for dinner? I came up with an idea. What's it? We will prepare dinner for Mom. Great idea. Let's cook spaghetti and egg tomato soup. How about spinach salad and fried chicken, Dad? So how about a hearty dinner? We'll have spaghetti, egg tomato soup, spinach salad, and fried chicken. That's good. Mom will be surprised. Let's do it now. Hold on, Dad. Let's play again. Okay. Let's cook spaghetti first. We need a large pot. Here. Pour water into the pot. Too much water, Dad. Maybe we just need half. I'll boil eggs for the spinach salad. Okay, son. When can I turn off the stove? I think when the pot runs out of water. Okay, Dad. Do you know how to make sauces? No, but I'll try. Taste it. That's too bland. I'll fix it. Extra salt. And stir it again. John, try it again. Oh, it's better. It's okay, Dad. Add fresh basil and grated cheese. The color looks good. What's the smell? Burning smell? Oh, my eggs! I'll make a spinach salad. Add tomatoes and red onions. Now sugar and salt. How is it? Oh, it's bad. Sorry, son, but it's bad. Dad, I know it's bad. Grandma, I need your help. I'm making a spinach salad. I've put spinach, tomatoes, red onions, eggs, sugar, and salt. But it doesn't taste like a salad at all. Try adding 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Okay, Grandma. Is it better? My dad said it's good, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma. We don't have any chickens. What do we cook instead? We have bacon. Shall we fry eggs and bacon? Okay, Dad. Did you have a crush on any girl at school? Why do you ask? Don't be shy. Tell me. I won't tell Mom. Her name is Anastasia. What a beautiful name. Aw, Dad, our bacon! Is anybody at home? Welcome back! Welcome back! Thank you. We have prepared a surprise for you. A surprise? This is for you, honey. Thanks, honey. I have to say that I'm really surprised. I and Dad prepare it for you. Do you like it? Of course, I like it. Let's see. We have spaghetti, eggs, and bacon, tomato soup, and spinach salad with 4 eggs. Mom, taste them. It's pretty good. Not bad. Dad, I remember I haven't washed the spinach yet. This is our secret. Don't tell Mom. Is your trip okay, honey? Yeah, everything's okay. My mom pretended to be sick because she wanted to see me. Oh. It scared me. But it made me realize that I should be spending more time with Mom, and I really miss her. Luckily, your mom is fine. Yes. I also realized that this house would be nothing without you, Mom. John and I struggled with housework and cooking all day. They are not easy at all. I'm sorry for not helping you before. It's okay, son. I love you, so I can do it for you. I love you too, so I can do it for you too, Mom. From now on, I'll help you with the housework. Because this is our home. Let's share the housework together. That's sweet. I love you, Mom. I love you, Lisa. I love you too.